Hey everyone, it's Stuart here. And in today's video, we're going to show you the fastest way you can delete a comment off of your Facebook page. Now, just before we get going with today's tutorial video, consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. And don't forget to tap that bell icon to receive all the Facebook and Instagram tutorials and tips from this channel. And with that out the way, let's get into it. You first need to be logged into your Facebook page profile. You can do that by navigating over to the top right hand section of the page and selecting your page account. Once you have done that, let's go over to the main profile, navigate to the left hand menu bar and click on your profile name here. And once that has been done, you're going to be taken to the main page where you have got your different posts. Let's say you've received a comment on your most recent post that you want to delete. Click on the comments section underneath the post, and this is going to then open up the post. And you may not see the comment that you're looking for. Just select the drop down icon next to the most relevant title, and this is going to allow you to then look for all of the comments. Once you have found that section, click on it, and then we're going to see the comment which we want to delete. We want to hover our mouse over the comment until we see the three dots appear. Once we see that, we want to click on it, and this is then going to allow us to select the delete button. Once we click on it, it is then going to ask us, are you sure you want to delete the comment? And we want to select yes, delete it. And now you can see the comment has been deleted. It's that easy to delete a comment off of your Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you liked this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you are new to the channel and want ongoing Facebook and Instagram marketing tutorials and tips. We post new videos every single week. And if you have any questions about the content that was covered in today's video, you can always leave a comment down below and I'll aim to answer your questions as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.